Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.
We had put a NGT case saying that these casinos where one of the casino was brought in Ribandar. So we put a case to remove because they were destroying our fishermen's nets and all. They destroyed their nets and all. So they were destroying it. So we got it removed for Panjim. The NGT passed an order and brought it to Panjim from Salim Ali eco-sensitive zone. But what I argued was it was in CRZ4, that is 12 nautical miles, 22.5 kilometers, it should go out because they are offshore casino. Now CRZ4, it might be a permissible activity, but they should have a CRZ NOC and all those things. Now for past so many years they don't have, so that compensation should go to the fishermen also. So after 6 years, the order of the NGT is reviewed. And they have passed an order that if they don't have a CRZ NOC, which I think that no one has, if they don't have this CRZ, they should stop operation from the night. Now, if they don't stop, I will go under section 26 on GCZMA chairman and this member secretary saying that they should be punished for 10 crores and 3 years imprisonment. That is under 26 if they don't obey the orders of the NGT.